Hi, in this video I will show you how to check and clear usage data on the TCL Linkzone router. It's very easy. All you need to do is to open TCL Linkzone router configuration page. It's 192.168.1.1. Then go to the usage statistics. There you can see all the data you have used, and to clear history, tap on the clear and tap OK, and as you can see, we have successfully deleted the usage history on the TCL Linkzone router. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.